How are you going to set this stuff up in OpenDental? Really pretty easy. You go to Setup, Definition, and then Image Categories. And that's where you can add different image categories, as I've done down there on the bottom, and you can even hide some if you don't like them. You can also move them up and down where they make the most sense when you're actually using them. Next, you're going to go back to Setup and clear down at the bottom to Sheets, and then down to Tools and Import. And you're going to import some of these files that I'm going to show you how to download in a minute. So these downloads are right on the web page, the same with the video. There's the letter templates, there's the images, there's the HTML for the email template, there's the Lesterdine camera and the clinical photo checklist. They're all in one place. Just click on them and you can download. Okay, this is the last step. You need to go to Setup and then down to Sheets. And then if you pick the category of patient letters, it'll do some filtering. Now my image letters were already at the top, but in case yours are kind of jumbled in there, then you need to open each one of those letters one at a time and go into the image blocks that are in there. And you're going to edit these so they're pointed to your images. Mine are already done, but the new image categories that you put in there, you want to set these up as image 1, image 2, and image 3. So you need to do that for each one of these blocks in here, and you need to do it for each of the 3 different letters. Okay? This is linking the images in the letters to the image categories that you set up. Okay, you're finally all done.